Good morning, small craft anglers. It's Wednesday, June 4th. Out here at Murrells Inlet on a windy day. I think we've got 10-mile-an-hour winds with up to 15-mile-an-hour gusts. We've got a storm coming in tomorrow, it looks like. So I thought I'd jump out here and fish this low tide. We're on our way to low tide. Low tide's at 10:30, so we'll be fishing the outgoing tide and a little bit possibly of the incoming tide. We'll probably be off the water by noon. We have some storms coming in, I don't know, this evening and all day tomorrow, so there won't be any fishing tomorrow, for me anyway. So yeah, I'm just gonna get out here, try to get into a spot and get on a few flounder before things get even more windy. And yeah, we'll see how long we can take the wind, I guess. But yeah, that's about it. There's nobody else out here, so that's nice. Oyster Recycling Center is open back up, I guess, after the tree was down, looks like. And yeah, we're just gonna get out here and we're gonna get on them, so let's get started. All right guys, we got some overcast conditions currently. It's 7:02, so I think we're gonna switch to the Purple Death this morning. Something a little darker. Have good luck with this one. So yeah, we're gonna get this all hooked up and then start fishing. The wind is howling already. Like I said, I think it's starting off at 10 miles an hour, so I'm gonna stay back in these creeks, work the outgoing tide, try to stay protected as best as we can as we go throughout the day here. So that is the plan. All right guys, fish on. Fish on, finally. 7:53. See if this guy holds on or if he's gonna let go. Feels like a small flounder. Let's see what we got going. Oh, he let it go. He spit it just like I thought. Small flounder. He just had the tail. All right, fish on, fish on. Little flounder, little flounder. Oh, all right. All right, guys. We got one. Little guy. Let's get over here before we wreck ourselves. Choke that thing. Choke that one. All right guys, let's go ahead and get the hook. This hook out, hopefully. Went right through his jaw. Right through. I was helping you. I was gonna help you. Actually, I think he might have did himself a favor. Got that thing even more. All right. All right, guys, there we go. He's just a small one, so we're gonna get him back in the water. There we go. All right. Well, here's number one, 810. Still fighting some crazy winds. So I don't know how today's gonna go, but we're gonna see. All right, let's get everything back together. Let's get back into it. All right, guys, fish on. Fish on. Oh yeah, it's another little flounder, I think. Ooh, feels pretty decent. All right. Yeah, he's hooked right in the lip. Got him. Oh, spit it. Dang it. Spit it at the boat, guys. He was a decent sized one. I don't know, he wasn't 16, but he looked a good 10 or 12. Shouldn't have tried to boat flip him. Should have tried to net him, and I would have had him. Shoot! Alright guys, fish on. 9:32. See if we can't hold on to this flounder. Feels like a decent sized one. Okay, come on. Hold on to the bait. I'm trying to baby this thing in so to the net because I've missed. Oh, let it go. Let it go. Let it go. Man. It's the day I'm having today, guys, in this wind. All right, guys, fish on. Fish on. Oh, let it go. Let it go. Oh, man. I thought that one was in. Thought we had him on that one. Fish on. Fish on. All right. I think we hooked that one. All right. Feels like a pretty decent flounder. See what we got here. Yep, pretty big flounder. Let's hope she holds on. She's hooked. Let's get the net. Got her. Got her, guys. She's decent. She's decent. All right. She's a decent one right there. Oh, yeah. All right, guys. Let's take a look at her. I can't even get my hands around her. All right. Got her right under the lip there. I tried to set that hook pretty good because I've had tons of short strikes today, so I got this one. There we go. All right, let's get the board. All right, let's see what she's gonna measure. Let's see what she is gonna measure. All right, guys. She is gonna be about 16 and a half. So she's gonna be coming home with me for dinner tonight. This one, let's get one more measure just to make sure. Let's get one more. Yep. Right about 16 and a half. So we'll get her in the box. All right, there we go, guys. That one is going home to eat, so that's exciting. It's been a minute since we had flounder, so that'll be delicious. The wife will be excited. All right, that's number 2 that we landed. So I caught that one on the beer run. Yeah, she nailed that thing. Coming right out of a creek mouth, still emptying out. Just fishing the creek mouths, and she was sitting in there. I was letting it sit on the bottom a little bit, eating some grapes, and slowly reeling that bait in, and that's what we got. All right. All right, guys, let's get on another one. All right, guys, it's 9:53. Just caught that 16.5-inch flounder, which is wonderful. I believe low tide's around 10. There was another one. So we're probably gonna fish another 2 hours. And then we're going to get up out of this wind, because I think it's just going to get worse, and possible rain later in the afternoon. So, just giving you guys the update. All right, fish on. Fish on. Little flounder, it feels like. Oh, let it go. Spit it. Spit it. Oh, there's my proof, guys. There's my proof. About the 100th time that's happened today, at least. Man. Short Strike is my middle name. Guys, I think we're gonna call it a day. It's 11:49. Headed back towards the Oyster Recycling Center to get the kayak out of the water. It was a rough day today, mainly because of the wind. I mean, we're at, I'd say, 15 miles an hour all day. That's what it feels like. And a lot of jockeying for position. It's hard to fish when you're messing with the kayak and trying to hold it in position. I've definitely fished in the wind before, but today, I don't know why, it just seemed a little more difficult. I don't know if it's from, it kept switching around or what, but it felt like it was going southwest at one point and then southeast, and it's definitely going southeast now. But anyway, we ended up with one 16.5-inch flounder. Caught another dink, got on the boat, got another smaller flounder right to the boat, but unfortunately for you guys, I couldn't put any more fish in. I was trying to get that third fish pretty hard out here, and just not happening. Lots of short strikes. Probably could have put, I don't even know, 5 more, probably smaller flounder in the boat. You'll see on the video. Short strikes are my demon, I guess. But anyway, all in all, it was a good day. We're supposed to get rain tonight, tomorrow, so maybe get back out here on Friday. Colton's been on me. He's about to get out of school for the year, and he's ready to start fishing his kayak. So we'll have that video coming soon. It'll be his first time on the kayak out here, and he's excited to saltwater fish, and in his words, beat me fishing, because most of the time when he comes, he somehow either catches more or gets a bigger fish, hooks a bigger fish. But that's just him. He's always been that way. But anyway, I hope everybody stays blessed. It was a blessing to be out here today, even though we didn't, get into them heavy. But anyway, I appreciate y'all watching, and we'll see you on the next one.